try out the new table view option, we just need to head over to any area under the planning, department specific, post-production, or company area and switch to the table view. But we'll go into an in-depth look at the company area table view option in another video. So let's go to the cast section, and we can see that per default, we have the table view. Switching back to the card or tile view option, we have information on the character ID, first shooting day, number of shooting days, and scenes right away. Back in the table view, we can see that the most noticeable difference is the layout. In this view, we have different columns and hence different data that will be available to us. One thing to note is that we need a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 25 columns to use the table view. And this is due to the fact that every section offers different column options, so we may not be able to put in all the information on the table. Next, we can customize the table to our preferences. So we can reorder the columns by dragging and dropping them, adjust the size of the columns. Lastly, we can sort each column in ascending or descending order. And we can also select the information or columns that show up on the table using the gear icon. Moving on, we always have a search bar on top, as well as different export options. And we can also add new entries here if we have the right permissions to do so. So let's just create a couple different entries here. In the edit mode, we'll be able to adjust information for specific columns. And within each row, we can make adjustments using our keyboard tabs to move forward or the Shift and Tab key to move backwards, making it easier for us to adjust things as we move along. But we'll also see that not all columns will be available for us to edit. Next, bulk editing is also possible to modify specific entries. So let's select ID numbers 9 through 11 that we created and call them extras. Let's hit confirm and save to see those changes. And within each row are additional options. Now, the quick functions can also offer different options depending on the section that we're in. But in this case, we can sort the layout alphabetically, by character IDs, or tidy up the list. Choosing that latter option will give us a pop-up to confirm whether we want to delete all the characters without links to any scenes. And lastly, on the top right corner, we'll have access rights for the current table view. So this will solely affect the area that we're currently in. But as an admin, we'll always have access to any area in Yamdu. In here, we can filter by permission type, sort by name or crew list, and if we select that, we'll be able to easily change the access rights for a complete department. Otherwise, we can quickly adjust permissions for all users using the drop-down. Or we can also do it individually. And that was a quick look at the new table view. Stay tuned for more tutorials.